One day, the lion, the donkey, and the fox went hunting together. Did the lion really need them to go with him? Who knows? Maybe he liked those who would agree with him on everything, who would laugh at his jokes even when they're not funny. Or maybe the donkey and the fox liked being with those who were powerful. Whatever the reason, we can assume that the lion was in favor of this decision. Anyway, they agreed that whatever they caught would be shared between them. And they did exactly what they had decided beforehand. The lion asked the donkey to divide the meat. Like an obedient child, he made 3 equal parts. He then asked his friends to choose one. However, the lion became furious with him. He killed the donkey. He then looked at the fox. The fox could tell from his expression that the lion was not going to explain himself. To say the least, the fox was scared. He was terrified that he would suffer the same fate as the donkey. But the lion did not hurt him. In fact, he smilingly asked the fox to divide the meat. The fox gathered everything into one great pile except for a tiny portion. "Brother, who taught you to divide things so equally?" asked the lion. The fox replied, "You did a few minutes ago." So that's it. That's the story. If you liked the story, please give it a thumbs up, and if you want more videos, more stories like this one, consider subscribing to my channel. Until next time, this is RB signing off.